Today we're going to learn about exterior lighting in a new Macan Electric. To adjust the exterior lighting in your new Macan Electric, you'll use the lighting console. Select the button once to bring up the menu, and then each button push after that will go down. The first is automatic light control, basically auto headlights. If it gets dark outside, your headlights will come on, and if there's light, the headlights will go off. There's also low beam, if you just want to focus on low beam. If you'd like to isolate to just the parking light, you can do so. Or if you'd like to turn the system entirely off, you can do that as well. You also have your fog light button here as well. When you select your fog lights, your front lights will change their dispersion and your rear fog light will turn on. Let's talk about high beams in the Macan Electric. You can pull back to flash, you can push forward to turn on the high beams, much like most standard cars. However, there's another option available to us here. Select Settings, Vehicle Settings, Exterior Lights. We have automatic high beam here. Now we're going to turn that on. Currently, because we've just enabled automatic high beam, you'll see that we have an A with a green light here. Now what does that mean? That means you don't have to turn on and off your high beams anymore. When a car is approaching, it will lower the lights, and then when a car passes by, it'll raise them back up again. So you basically don't have to turn on and off your bright lights. But if you want to manually do so, you can do the same flash as we had before by pulling towards you, and you can push away and it will manually turn on the full bright lights. However, if you want to go back to the auto high beam, you can do so by pushing forward again. You now know how to adjust the exterior lighting in your new Macan Electric.